How to increase video quality on Netflix. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you increase your video quality on Netflix. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the Netflix app with your account. Alright, so after you open the Netflix with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, at the top right corner, you'll have to tap on your profile icon. Alright, so from the profile section, you'll have to tap on app settings. And from the app settings, you'll have to tap on the option video quality. Alright, so after you tap on that video quality, you can easily select or change your video quality from here. So as usual, you can use the options like standard or higher. So for the higher quality, you'll have to just choose for the higher option from here, and after you choose the higher from here, you'll be able to increase your video quality on Netflix app. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.